lower and upper bands dealing with nearest one decimal place. Examples. Given that 0.3 is a number correct to 1 dp, A. Calculate the lower and upper band of the actual numbers. B. State the range of values of the actual number. Solution. Now we have 1 dp, 1 decimal place, and the given number is 0.3. This number is already expressed in 1 decimal place. And this is the number. For 1 decimal place, that means you are going to have a number after decimal point. And what is that number? That's 3. Now, looking at place value, what will be the place value of this 3? Immediately after decimal point is tenths. That's tenths. That's the place value, that is 3 tenths. Is the place value of 3 in this 0.3. And what does 3 tenths, what does tenths represent? We want to consider tenths now. What does tenths represent itself? Tenths represent 1 over 10. And 1 over 10 is same thing as what? 0.1. Now, we need to determine the error first. Error equals to what? Plus or minus tenths. 1 over 10. And this is equal to what? 0.1. Take note of that. Plus or minus 0.1 divided by 2. Now, what do we have? This is plus or minus 0.1 divided by 2 will give us 0.05. Now, we calculate the lower and upper bands of the actual number. Lower band, which is the same thing as L subscript B. Then we have what? What is the number we have here? 0.3, then minus 0.05. And this will give us what? 0.25. That is for the lower band. For the upper band, that's what? 0.3, then plus 0.05. And this will give us 0.35. We are through with the first part. Then the solution to the second part of the problem. State the range of values of the actual number. Let the actual number be A. Actual number be A. If the actual number is A, then we have L subscript B less than equals to A less than U subscript B. What is L subscript B? That is what? 0.25. Then less than equals to A less than 0.35. So in this case, we can write this as a statement. That is, this is the same thing as what? 0.25 to 0.35. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.